सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ श्लोका नंबर 136, पेज नंबर 50। नियमितमनसामुं त्वं स्वमात्मानमात्मनि अयमहमिति साक्षात् विद्धि बुद्धिप्रसादात्। जनिमरणतरङ्गा पारसंसारसिन्धुम् प्रतरभवकृतार्थो ब्रह्मरूपेण संस्थः। Having elaborately explained the Paramatma Swarupam, now Shankaracharya, condensing the whole Atma Jnanam, to attain that Atma Jnanam, what sadhana you have to follow and what phalam you get, in one shloka, in this 136th shloka, Shankaracharya points out Atma Jnanam, Atma Jnana Sadhanam and Atma Jnana Phalam. What is Atma Jnanam? The basic doubt or more. I have to remind once again. Self-knowledge is called Atma Jnanam. Self-knowledge of whom? Myself. Self annale my anu artham. Ennudaya anu. Ennudaya, my self, its own nature. Knowledge about my own nature is called self-knowledge. Knowledge about my own self, my own real nature is called self-knowledge. In Sanskrit, Atma Jnanam, they say. Look at the first line. To attain that Jnanam, first sadhana mentioning. By what sadhana, by what means you get this Atma Jnanam? Niyamita manasa amum. First you see, tvam viddhi. You start with the verb always. Viddhi, you should know. Tvam is in the first line, viddhi is in the second line. Sakshat viddhi is there. So, tvam, first line, viddhi, you take in the second line. Tvam viddhi. Tvam means you, viddhi means know. You should know. Command. Shankaracharya commanding. You should know. What I should know. Swam Atmanam. First line. Swam Atmanam. You should know your own self. Atmanam means Atmavai. Whose Atman? Your own. Swam Atmanam. Your own self. Which is you alone. அதுதான் ஸ்வம் ஆத்மானம் இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். ஏதோ பற்றி ஆத்மா பற்றி தெரிஞ்சுனா நமக்கு என்ன? ஸ்வம் ஆத்மானம். தட்ஸ் வை அமும். இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் நியமித மனசா அமும். அமும் மீன்ஸ் திஸ். Swam, this amum swam atmanam. This you should know which is your self, your own self. Where you should know how, what is the locus? Antahkarane Atmani. Swatmanam Atmani. First line ending la irukku parunga. Atman Nyaya Nyaya Mahamiti. How you have to split? Atmani Ayam Aham Iti. Romba kashtam. Again you have to look into that shloka, then only you can know where to split. Atmani means Antahkarane. You should know yourself in the Antahkarana means mind or intellect. Buddhau. Atmani or Buddhau in your intellect. This is the method to attain. How you should know Atmani? Katham. Katham means how. You should know yourself in your mind. How? Katham means sakshat. Aparokshataya nartham. Sakshat means directly. I am body, I have Atma. Previously I was thinking, I am body, I have Atma. Now Sakshat means what? I am Atma, I have incidental body, temporary body I have. This is called Sakshat, Aparokshataya. Directly. In common parlance, directly means what? You have to see directly. நம்ம கண்ணால போய் பார்க்கறது. Objectification. நமக்கு அதுதான் தெரியும். Directly என்ன அர்த்தம்? You go and see directly. Not through somebody, you go and see directly. இதுதான் நமக்கு புரியும். But here Sakshat means, directly means as a subject. As a subject you should know without any medium. That is called Sakshat. Not like any other object you are seeing directly. I went Badari, directly I have seen Badari. Direct experience of Badari. Kailas, direct experience. Wherever you go, direct experience. What direct experience? Experiencing that one as object. அதே மாதிரி ஆத்மா கூட நான் டைரக்டாக எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணணும். ஏன்னா சங்கராச்சாரியர் சாட்சாத்னு சொன்னார் இல்லையோ, ஸோ நானும் டைரக்டர் எவ்வளோ சுவாமினி சொன்னாலும் நானும் டைரக்டாக பார்க்கணும் போய் என்ன. Here we have to understand carefully. Sakshat means as subject, not as an object. Without any medium, recognize as yourself. That is called Sakshat. Aparokshataya. See, pramana nirapekshataya gnatavyam. Pramana nirapekshataya means without using your eyes, through the nose, through the ears, through any other organ, you should not know. You cannot know. Even manasa api. You cannot know only through this mind. Ordinary mind you cannot know. Ordinary intellect cannot know. Highly intellect Swamini, gold medalist. Even though he cannot know. Very sharp mind. Even though he cannot know. Who knows? A mind which is refined, prepared. Shravana, Guru Vakya, Shraddha, whoever is having, studying Shastra, such mind alone can know. Understand? Not all ordinary minds, ordinary intellect cannot know. A person who is studying Shastra under the competent Acharya, teacher, consistently with the refined mind. That is called Buddha Artham here. எல்லாருக்கும் புத்தி இருக்க சுவாமினி, ஏன் ஆத்மா தெரிய மாட்டேங்கிறதே அண்ணா, சுத்தமாக இல்லை, ப்ரிப்பேர்டாக இல்லை, அதுதான் காரணம். So 3 conditions you require to know the Atma as yourself. First, know the Atma aham iti as yourself. Aham iti is the first condition. Don't use any other verb. Don't use any other verb. No, verb means kriya. I am. Know yourself as you are. That's all. No other verb. Then second condition is sakshat. Directly you should know. Third condition is niyamita manasa vidhi. Sakshat vidhi, niyamita manasa vidhi, controlled mind. A mind which is disciplined, niyamam. Niyamita manasa means a mind which is disciplined. Ashtanga yoga practice ella pandi. ಯಮ ನಿಯಮ ಆಸನ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಾಹಾರ ಧಾರಣ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಸಮಾಧಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒರಳವಕ್ಕೆ ಪಣ್ಣಿ அதுதான் நியமித மனசா. So in the three conditions you have to fulfill. Okay, niyamita manasa. Why Shankaracharya insisting all these three conditions? அதுதான் நிஜமான ஞானம். நியமித மனசு இருந்தாதான் இந்த ஞானம் அடைய முடியும். So சாட்சாத்த புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். That is also very important. And as you are, that you should know. எங்கேயோ ஆத்மா இருக்கான்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. யுவர் நேச்சர் இஸ் ஆத்மா, யூ ஷுட் நோ. ஆல் தீஸ் த்ரீ ஆர் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ த மைண்ட், ரிஃபைன்டு மைண்ட், டிசிப்ளின்டு மைண்ட், இன்டெகிரேட்டட் மைண்ட் அண்ட் டேம்டு மைண்ட், வெல் ட்ரெயின்டு மைண்ட் இஸ் மஸ்ட். ஏன்னா suppose your child is not healthy, no, child is not healthy. Child will not allow the mother to work her, to complete her duties in the house. An unhealthy child always disturbs the mother. Yes, adhe healthy child irundha tanu பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும், allows the mother to do all activities. So our mind is also like a child. If it is a healthy mind, it allows you to do sadhana for spiritual pursuit further and further and further. A healthy mind. If our mind is unhealthy, sick mind, suppose always thinking negatively, inferiority complex, guilt, hurt, such mind can allow that person to do sadhana. That is unhealthy mind. அதுதான் நியமித மனசா மீன்ஸ் just as the healthy child allows the mother to do her duties, a healthy mind allows the mumukshu Vedantic seeker to go forward in his pursuit or her pursuits. We have to be very very careful in this. Never take it as granted. மனசு எப்படி இருக்கான்னு பார்த்துக்கணும் first. A strong mind, a healthy mind is important. So these three conditions. That is why for that healthy mind, for that purpose only our whole religion, religious practices. Try to understand. Now this Devi Navaratri, 9 days. What a discipline people will follow. They are supposed to follow. All these 9 days, it is like a tapas. What a beautiful design they have given. They do lot of rituals in this, chanting, puja, all these things they do. So the religious practices helps the person to bring the mind, a healthy mind. That is very important. Therefore, buddhi prasadat. Buddhi means intellect, prasadat, with the, it reveals in the Brahman reveals in the intellect when it is prasadam and tranquil. When it is tranquil only you can grasp it. Then next line, buddhi prasadat. What is the phalam? Jani marana taram taranga para samsara sindhum. If by fulfilling these three conditions, if you know the Atma Swarupam as yourself directly by the refined mind, you will be free from jani means birth, marana means death. You are free from janana marana samsara cycle. Sindhu means ocean. Ocean of samsara. Samsara sindhu means samsara sindhum pratara. Pratara means cross. You cross this samsara ocean which has got janana marana cycle. This samsara. That is the wave. One wave coming forward is birth. One wave going back is death. Just as the waves coming front and going back. How they are going back? Calmly they are going. They are thrashed by the another wave. Hitting by this wave and that wave. Nama Janma also, once you come into this world, you are also attacked by all this Janana, Vyadhi, Jara, Vyadhi. These are sharks and crocodiles are there in that ocean. Adhe madri, once you come to this Janma, the old age will come. The old age, for that sake only Bhagavan kept. அப்படியாவது எனக்கு மோட்சம் பற்றி திங்க் பண்ணுவானே. So Vyadhi also, that's why disease also. Once in a while அங்கே வலி இங்கே வலி ஏதோ ஒரு வலி வந்தால் அதான் கடவுள் பகவானேன்னு சொல்லுவோம், இல்லைன்னா சொல்லவே மாட்டோம். So you remember the Lord. Bhagavan knows that. That's why once in a while he just like that, a shock, a jolt மாதிரி அப்பப்போ உடம்புல அது இது ஏதோ கொடுத்துட்டே இருப்பார். இல்லைன்னா ஓல்டேஜ் இதெல்லாம் ஒரு டெக்னிக் பகவானுக்கு தெரியும். So that is called samsara ocean. So apara, apara means that which is shoreless, limitless. This ocean is having limit. How big it is, vast. Even the samsara also, it is aparam, shoreless. Shoreless. Aparam, para means limit. Apara means they're limitless. The samsara is also limitless. So many janmas we have taken. Anadi kalam. Janmas we are taking continuously. If you know this Atma Swarupam, you will cross over this Janana Marana cycle. Not only that, Brahma Rupena Samsthaha. You will abide as Brahman. Brahma Rupena, in the form of Brahman Samsthaha. You abide. Aham Brahma Asmi. That is called Brahma Rupena Samstham. If there is meditation, Matra Rupena Samsthita, Shakti Rupena Samsthita. Samsthita means abiding. Similarly, Brahma Rupena Samsthana, abiding as Brahman. Abiding as Brahman means what? Recognizing, owning up that I am consciousness, Brahma Swarupam. That Brahma Rupena Samsthaha Kritartho Bhava. Kritartho Bhava, totally you are full. Kritarthaha. Complete, fulfilled, complete man. Who is complete man? Who knows this? Is a complete person. All are arakore. Complete person is kadiyadu. Jnani alone is complete and purnaha. Purnaha. Kurai ondrum illai. Fulfilled, accomplished. No dissatisfaction, no wavering, no vacillation, no disturbance at any level. Full Ananda Swarupam. That's why see Guru says, Kritartho Bhava. Oh my dear student, you cross over this limitless Janana Marana Samsara ocean by owning up your real nature directly through the refined mind. That is the whole meaning. With this, Shankaracharya has completed what is Anatma and what is Atma Swarupam, how to own up. Then next question is what? Konama Bandhaha. Now he is taking the first question in the middle. So Konama Bandhaha. Where is that question? Shloka number 49. Look back. Once in a while, this shloka must be by-hearted. 49th shloka in my book, 49. Ko nama bandhat kathamesha agataha katham pratisthasya katham vimokshaha. Idellam innu sollala. What Shankaracharya has given? Asau anatma kaha. Kaha paramaha atma. These are all answered. So tayoho vivekaha. All this has been answered. But now Shankaracharya taking ko nama bandhaha. First question now he is taking here from the next verse onwards, 37th shloka onwards. You can take a third topic. So Anatma, first topic over, Atma, second topic over. Now the third topic is ko nama bandhaha. Ko nama bandhaha means what is bondage? What is the bondage? What do you mean by bondage? Bandha means bondage. Bandh means to bind. Now we'll read the sloka. Atranatmanyahmiti matihi Atranatmanyahmiti matihi bandha yeshosya pumsaha praptor jnana janana maranam janana maranam klesha sampata hetuhu enaivayam vapuridamasat satyamityatma buddhya pushyatchukshatyavati vishayaihi pushyatchukshatyavati vishayaihi tantubhih koshakridvat kroshakridvat. Atra means in this context. In this context means in this above said context, that Atma Anatma Viveka Dwara, by the discrimination between the real and unreal, one should know the Atma as his real nature. By that the person will become kritarthaha, fulfilled. In this context, why he has to work for all these? Why one has to develop discrimination, why has to know the Atma Swarupam means because the person feels he is or she is bound. The person feels I am bound because I am limited. I have lot of limitation. Pasi dahame periya problem. No, I am slave to my hunger. I cannot stay without food. If it is half an hour late, garbur, no problem. Even for thirst I cannot stay for sometimes few minutes, I cannot withstand. Even any injury, anything happens, I become so disturbed. So many limitations I have. That's why I feel always limited, and I am thrashed by these diseases, problems, virus, SARS problems, extra. Main problem, water problem. Every day we are doing the japa. Water. என்ன ஜபம் பண்றோமோ இல்லையோ, இந்த தண்ணி வருண ஜபம் மாத்திரம் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும். நாளைக்கு எப்படி இருக்குமோ, தண்ணி வருமா வராதோ, ஆஃப்டர் நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் எப்படி இருக்குமோ, பேப்பர் படிச்சா பயமா இருக்கு. So these are all, I feel I am totally limited, conditioned by so many things. ஃப்ரீடமே இல்லையே. ஒரு டேப்லெட் போட்ட பசி இல்லாமல் இருக்கலாம் இல்லையோ, காலையில் சாப்பிட்டா, மத்தியானம் சாப்பிட்டா, நைட்டு சாப்பிட்டா, நாளைக்கு திருப்பி பசி வருது. ஸோ அதுக்காக I have to struggle, work. எத்தனை நாள் பசி, எத்தனை நாள் தாகம், இவ்வளோ பணம் இருந்தாலும் கூட I am not able to conquer my so many weaknesses. I am totally mentally upset. செட்டப்பே கிடையாது சுவாமினி, எப்போவுமே அப்செட்டு தான், ஏதோ ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம். செட்டப் மாதிரி இருக்கிறது, உடனே அப்செட் வருது. என்ன இதெல்லாம் என்னென்ன ப்ராப்ளம்? இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாம் இஸ் கால்ட் பந்தா. as though I am tied, I am bound by so many things. Everybody is controlling. சின்ன வயசுல அம்மா கண்ட்ரோல், கொஞ்சம் பெரிய அப்பா இஸ் கண்ட்ரோலிங், டீச்சர் இஸ் கண்ட்ரோலிங், பாஸ் இஸ் கண்ட்ரோலிங், ஈவன் ஆட்டோ டிரைவர் ஆல்சோ கமாண்டிங். என்ன ஒரு ஃப்ரீடமே இல்லாமலே போச்சு. இப்படியா வாழ்க்கை? ஒன்ஸ் சில்ட்ரன் grown up, they also commanding. சின்ன வயசுல we have commanded them, now they are commanding us. When can I have my own? People are want my own time, my own. my own கிடையாது. You are totally controlled by either one or other. Suppose you think you are a master, I am controlling everything. Some higher powers are controlling you. The supernatural, earthquake, cyclone, all these problems, infectious diseases, so many things. I am always afraid of them. Even though I am powerful, I am having lot of money, still they are all controlling me. This is called bandha. He is going to explain what is bandha. So therefore, first you should know why you have to know this Atma Swarupamanna. இதுதான் காரணம். உனக்கு பந்தம் இருக்கு, அந்த பந்தத்தினால தான் இந்த சம்சாரம் ப்ராப்ளம். வாட் இஸ் பந்தன்னா இன் திஸ் கான்டெக்ஸ்ட் அத்ர ஆத்மனி, இந்த ஆத்மா, அனாத்மனி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன்ல அனாத்மனி மீன்ஸ் இந்த அனாத்மா. அனாத்மா என்ன? unreal. Whatever is unreal is called anatma. Anatmani. Anatma means that which is temporary, that which is unreal, which is not having its own dependent existence, that is called anatma. Anatmani means on that anatma or in the anatma. Aham iti matihi. Anatmanyahamiti matihi. How to split? Anatmani, aham means I, iti thus. Anatma is body. This body, anatma, I am. Thus matihi means who considers. Matihi means aham iti matihi means I notion. The I notion in the anatma, in the anatma body. I am, that notion, anatmani dehe, and this body, aham iti buddhihi, I am this body and ஒரு புத்தி நமக்கு இருக்கு இல்லையோ, அது எக்கச்சக்கமா இருக்கு சுவாமினி, சொல்லவே வேண்டாம். I am the body, everybody knows. How are you? I am fine. என்ன அர்த்தம்? பாடி தானே. ஆத்மாக்கு ஃபைன் அன்ஃபைன் இருக்க. How are you சொன்ன கோயிங் ஆன் ஸ்மூத்லி. என்ன அர்த்தம்? பாடி நோ ப்ராப்ளம், எல்லாம் செட்டப் நல்லா இருக்கேன்னு அர்த்தம். தட் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? யூ ஆர் ஐடென்டிஃபைங் வித் த anatma. Generally, popularly, people identify themselves with anatma. So therefore, anatmani aham iti matihi. Eshaha Eshaha means this bondage. Asya pumsaha bandhaha. That person's, asya purushaha means that person's, purushaha, purushasya, purushasya, asya pumsaha, asya pumsaha or purushasya you can take, of for this person. For this person, this anatma, on this anatma body, that aham, I am, the notion is called bondage. For this person who is taking this anatma body, a bandha is that for a person whoever takes his body as himself or herself. I'll repeat. Bondage means thinking that body is himself or herself. Taking the body anatma as himself or herself, that notion, that thought is called bandha. The whole Vedanta study depends on this. Clear? Whoever takes tasya asya pumsaha means for a person who takes the body as himself or herself as real. I am means body and yaram chonna adida bandhaha anartham. Clear? Now why this happens? Why a person takes his body or her body as real, anatma, as himself or herself, which is unreal, anatma? What is the reason? Next line, ajnanat praptaha. This notion obtained due to ignorance. Ajnanat means because of ignorance. Praptaha means he obtained due to ignorance. Ajnanat praptaha. Due to this ignorance, what will happen? This bandha, due to ignorance. That ignorance leads to this ignorance. Because of the ignorance only this notion. Because of ignorance. Ajnanat alone, this notion he has obtained. This ignorance will become the cause for, leads to what? Janana marana klesha sampata hetuhu. Hetuhu means the cause, reason. Ajnanat praptaha. This ajnanat praptaha, due to ignorance, this wrong notion, error has taken place. It leads to what? Varatume Swamini. Ajnanat, because of ignorance, he has got the notion. What notion? I am the body notion. Appa viduma, the notion. This notion leads to birth, janana, marana, death. Janana, marana, klesha. Klesha means pain. Pancha kleshas are there. According to Patanjali, there are pancha kleshas. Klesha means pain, struggle, problem, anartham. Janana, marana, klesha sampataha means, and it is cause for falling in the birth and death. This ignorance will become the cause to fall into birth and death. Not only that, afflictions. Afflicted by and chalvan, affected by, tormented by. That is called klesha. Afflictions. Sampata hetuhu. So he attains that. Sampata means he attains that. Falling in artham. Sampata. He is falling into that. By these afflictions. So this ignorance, it is the cause for falling in the birth and death and afflictions. What are those afflictions? 5 afflictions. Avidya, asmita, raga, dvesha, abhinivesha. So all this comes under kleshas. Now you see avidya, first beginning, ignorance, avidya. Asmita. Asmita means asmi iti buddhihi. Aham dehaha asmi iti buddhihi asmita. Children, uttama purushala. Asmi. Asti staha santi. Asi stha stha. Asmi swaha swaha. So uttama purusha ekavachanam. Lat. So Asmi, I am this body, I am this mind, this bhavana is called Asmita. Once that comes, raga, attachment, my son, my daughter, my house, association with certain things, raga will come. Then dvesha, there is dvesha also because of ignorance. Raga, dvesha, then abhinivesha. Abhinivesha means fear of death. It is also a type of klesha. Fear of death. Always worrying about how I am going to face death. Always worrying. Abhinivesha. So all these kleshas he will fall into because of this ajnanam. So therefore, yena, by which, third line, by which, yena, eva ayam, yena evayam manirke. Yena eva ayam. Yena eva means by which alone. Ayam, this jivaha. By which ignorance alone this jivaha nartha. By which ignorance, by which wrong notion, error alone this jivaha, this person, what he does? I am jivaha, this jivaha, idam asat vapuhu, idam, third line, vapuhu aparam, vapuhu idam, vapuridam, that visarga converts into repha. Vapuridam. Vapuhu plus idam, vapuridam. Vapuhu means body. Ena eva ayam, by this person. By this person means above said, the person who has taken this body as himself or herself. By that person, eva ayam vapuhu, by that person who has taken this body as himself, by that person, this body, vapuhu, which is asat, asat vapuhu, which is this changing body. Asat means which is unreal, really speaking, it is not true, it is made up of all panchabhutas, all this, what you can call, carbon, iron, ellam irukille, that vitamins, carbohydrates, ellam made up of that thing only. This 5 elements, elementals made up of that. Therefore, asat vapuhu, this changing body, how he looks? Satyamiti atma buddhya. Satyam. He takes it as satyam, it is real. Atma buddhya means taking as the self which is real. He takes this body as real. Enna mistake varungo. Taking this body as real which is actually not real. The cardboard chair, Swami always gives one example. You know, cardboard chair, bomma koluvukaha panduvam, tagaramella uttindi, and what you can call thermocol. So இப்போ தர்மோகால் எடுக்கலாம், கார்ட்போர்டு சேர் ஹூ இஸ் டூயிங், தர்மோகால் வச்சுட்டு நல்ல சேர் பண்ணி அழகாக கலர் பேப்பர் எல்லாம் செம்கி பேப்பர் எல்லாம் விட்டுன்னு பண்ணுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுவேன், உட்காரல, வில் யூ சிட் ஆன் தட், சிட் பண்ணேன்னா மண்டை உடையும்னு சொல்லுவார் சுவாமி, அடிக்கடி சொல்லுவார். த ஹோல் ஜெகத் இஸ் லைக் எ கார்ட்போர்டு சேர், தர்மோகால் சேர் மாதிரி. இன்டெலிஜென்ட் பர்சன் நெவர் சிட் ஆன் தர்மோகால் சேர், வேர் ஹி கீப்ஸ் கொலு, பொம்மை கொலுவில் வைக்கலாம். You can alaha decorate it in the bammala kolu, but not for sitting. So நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், அதே மாதிரி இந்த body is also like a thermocol chair மாதிரி. Never hold on to this body which is temporary, which is afflicted by so many things. That's why it is always threatening. நான் போறேன் அப்புறம் hair is falling, teeth is falling, ஏதோ ஒரு குறை வந்துட்டே இருக்கேன், இங்கே அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ண இங்கே அட்ஜஸ்ட் ஏதோ ஆகிட்டே இருக்கேன். So such a type of body you are holding on and it is threatening, exploiting you all the time. பியூட்டி பார்லருக்கு பியூட்டி பார்லருக்கு போன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்க, போனாலும் அப்படிதான் இருக்கேன், இன்னும் ப்ராப்ளம் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கேன். அது மாதிரி அசத்து பாடின்னு சத்திய ஆத்மாவாக நினைக்கிறான். சி ப்ராப்ளம். So therefore, this person takes the unreal asat vapuhu as satya atma buddhya, taking as the self. What he does? buddhya pushyati, ukshati, avati. Once I take myself as body, pushyati, நல்லா நரிஷ் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கேன். அந்த விட்டமின் சாப்பிடலாமா, இந்த விட்டமின் சாப்பிடலாம், அந்த ஜூஸ் சாப்பிடலாமா, இந்த ஜூஸ்ல சாப்பிடலாம், முருங்காயில என்ன இருக்க, பூசணிக்காயில என்ன இருக்க, என்னென்ன எதுல எதுல என்னென்ன விட்டமின் இருக்க, ஏ விட்டமின் இருக்க, பி விட்டமின் இருக்க, எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு சாப்பிட்டேன்னா என்னதான் ஆகும்? புஷ்யத்து நரிஷ் பண்ணி பண்ணி ஸ்கின் கேர், பல்லு கேர், ஹேர் கேர், நெயில் கேர், என்னென்னமா பண்றா பாருங்க. இதுதான் புஷ்யத்து. ஏன் இவ்வளவு அபிமானம்னா, taken this body as real, as himself. அதுதான் புஷ்யத்து. மார்னிங் ஆன்வர்ட்ஸ், பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட் ஆன்வர்ட்ஸ் என்ன விட்டமின்ஸ் இருக்கா இதில், மத்தியானம் என்ன விட்டமின்ஸ் இருக்கா, இன்னைக்கு எல்லா விட்டமின்ஸ் வந்துதான் இல்லை, கார்போஹைட்ரேட்ஸ் எல்லாமே நியூட்ரிஷியஸ் ஃபுட், நரிஷிங். இதே ஒரே காலையிலேருந்து நைட்டு வரைக்கும் ஒரே சாப்பாடு சாப்பாடு சாப்பாடு, என்ன அபிமானமா பாருங்க. ஸோ புஷ்யதி. And then ukshati. Ukshati means applying snow, perfumes, so many things. Chandan, gandha, all perfumes. Potu dabba khali, powder dabba khali, snow dabba khali, perfumes empty. ella khali panni apply panni ore amakkalam. enna soap செலக்ட் பண்ணி முக்கு கிட்ட வச்சு வாசனை பாஸ்டல்ல உக்ஷாத்தி அனாயின்ஸ் ஸ்மியர்ஸ் ஆல் திஸ் பர்ஃப்யூம்ஸ் டுவர்ட்ஸ் ஹிஸ் பாடி. என்ன கேர் பாருங்க. போட்டி போட்டி பவுடர் திக்கா, மோர் திக் யூ புட் மோர் wrinkles appear. I will tell you. Person, the people, if I apply more makeup so that I can hide my old age wrinkles. Really speaking, the more you make up, the more you look old. Wrinkles appear more. So you have to go to plastic surgery. Some people know, they go to plastic surgery, lakhs of dollars they give and make wrinkles free. It's struggling. People are plastic surgery. How many people are doing that? They don't bother about money. Ukshati. They are very much attached to this, smears, all those things. And avati, protects, rakshati. ஏசியில் இருக்கணும், அங்கே இங்கே எங்கே போனாலும் நமக்கு இது பொல்யூஷன் வரக்கூடாது. ரக்ஷதி. அவதி மீன்ஸ் வாட்? ரக்ஷதி. வேரிங் ஸ்வெட்டர்ஸ், லாட் ஆஃப் திங். கொசு வலையெல்லாம் கட்டி கொசு கடிக்கக்கூடாது. ப்ரொடெக்டிங் த பாடி. அதனால செப்பல் இல்லாமலே போக மாட்டோம், எல்லாம் டார்ச் வச்சுட்டு போவோம். எவ்வளோ ப்ரொடெக்ஷன் பாருங்க. and will take care of this body so much. Why he is taking? Ajnana. Taking this body as himself or herself. எவ்வளோ சமயம் செலவு பண்ணுறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. So that notion is the cause for bondage. How do you know he is having that notion? தெரிகிறதே. உக்ஷதி, அவதி, then he is pushyati. இது பார்த்தாலே தெரியறது எவ்வளோ அட்டாச்மெண்ட் இருக்கு இவனுக்கு பாடி மேலே. இது சொல்லணுமா? இன்ஃபரன்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. அத்தஸ்மின் தத்புத்தி பிரபவதி விமூடஸ்ய தமசாம் விவேகாபாவாத்வை ஸ்புரதி புஜகேரஜ்ஜுதிஷணா ஸ்புரதி புஜகேரஜ்ஜுதிஷணா ததோ நர்த்தவ்ராதோ நிபததி சமாதாதுரதிகஹ ததோ யோ சத்கிராஹः சஹி பவதி பந்தஸ்ருணு சகே. My dear friend, Sakhena, my dear friend. Guru is addressing the student. And friend is one who is a well-wisher. So the Guru is taking the well-wisher of the student. So he is addressing the student, my dear friend. Madri, nijama friend kadayadu. Just as the friend take care of another friend, so I am your well-wisher, oh my dear student. That's Sakhena. Tvameva mata pita tvameva tvameva bandhun sakha tvameva. Guru alone is mata, mother. Guru alone is the teacher. Guru alone is a friend. You can share. So Guru alone is everything, Daivam. So Shrunu Sakhe, listen, oh my dear friend. What? Tamasa, why this person, again he is explaining cause for bondage, why this error happening. No? Again he is expanding the same idea. Tamasa, first line, last word. Tamasa means ajnanena, tritiya vibhakti, by ignorance. By ignorance. Vimudhasya. Vimudhasya means viveka rahitaha. Chittasya. A person of indiscriminative intellect anartham. Vimudhasya. A person of indiscriminative intellect because of ignorance. Atasmin tadbuddhihi. This is one of the famous word we use in the Shastra. Atasmin tadbuddhihi means seeing the one thing as other. Seeing a thing, not seeing the thing as it is, and seeing the thing as something else. This is called atasmin tadbuddhi. Now this is a clock, I have to see it as a clock. If I say this is elephant, what do you think? என்னாச்சு சுவாமினிக்கு இப்போதான் நல்லா இருந்தாலே அது சொல்லுவார். என்ன, this is clock only, watchனா watch அவ்வளவுதான். But if I see it as something else other than a watch, that means atasmin tadbuddhi. That is the meaning. So therefore this person, due to indiscriminative intellect, this unreal body, anatmani, atasmin means anatmani, tadbuddhi means atma buddhi, taking this unreal body as atma, taking this unreal body, atasmin, taking this body, unreal body, as one's self. My nature is I am in a body. Da avaniki charvaka matam. Body is alone, is there nothing. Atma gitma ella solladunga. There is no atma at all. என்ன கண்ணுக்கு தெரியறது பாடி நான் இல்லாமல் தெரியாத ஆத்மா எங்கோ இருக்குன்னு நீங்கள் எல்லாம் லெக்சர்ஸ் சொல்லிகிட்டே இருக்கல 6 வருஷமா. Who will believe in it? That's why they will come to class and என்னமோ பேசுகிறாங்க ஆத்மா பற்றி. இது உடம்பெல்லாம் பொய்யன்னு சொல்கிறான், இது வேற. நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸுக்கு வரவே மாட்டான். ஏன் என்ன புத்தி இன்டலெக்ட் மெச்சூர் ஆகலை. They are not sensitive to grasp these things. Because the such person, body is tangible, I am experiencing everything. This is only perfectly 100% real, real, alone real. This is only real. Nothing is real than this body. அந்த மாதிரி திங்க் பண்ணுறவனுக்கு என்னதான் பேச முடியும்? அதுதான் அத்தஸ்மின் தத்வத்தின்னு. அனாத்ம தேகே டேக்கிங் திஸ் அன்ரியல் பாடி ஆஸ் ஆத்மா. வேறு இன்னொரு ஆத்மா இருக்க உள்ளன விஷயமே தெரியாது, தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு விரும்ப மாட்டான். ஏன்னா புத்தி இன்டிஸ்கிரிமினேட், விமூடஸ்யான். ஏன் தமசா, தமோகுணா டாமினன்ட், தமோகுணா டாமினன்ட். That is why our religion, our practice is all to remove tamoguna. This all kept. Going to see the Kolu in other place, other's house, you have to come out of tamas. And people sit at their house. So அதுக்கு தான் கொலு வச்சுட்டு என்னோட வீட்டுக்கு வந்து போய் கூப்பிடணும். இப்போ எல்லாம் ஃபோன்லோனே கூப்பிடுறான். You are not supposed to call like that. You have to go and put bottu. Please come to my house. I have kept the kolu. Please come and visit. You have to call them. So that person has to come all the way. So tamogana irundha vara mudiyuma? So 9 days in many places you have to go like that. Tamogana will run away. Puriyurudha ipo edukku vechinadu? So therefore these are all practices kept for that sake. Otherwise person already lazy will become lazy. To remove tamasic nature, lazy nature, our all religious rituals, practices, fantastically they work. Wonderful. That's why I appreciate every practice. We have to encourage them. More and more we have to do that. You have to walk, you have to go there, you have to see that. And you will become more brisk. And fat korayum, weight korayum. So, atasmin tadbuddhi prabhavati. So, because of this ignorance, vimudha, this seeing the anatma body as atma jayate, that notion rises. Jayate means the error arises in the mind. It born. Prabhavati means arises. What arises? This body is atma, real. This thought will arise. How it will arise? Just like I left one word in the previous sloka. Main example. Sir, shall I tell you that example and I'll finish. So I'll continue this sloka next class. இப்போதான் வருது அந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள். இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்ன உடனே அந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஞாபகம் வந்தது. That example is tantubihi kosha kridvat. Just as this bondage is like a silkworm. You have seen silkworm. Pattu puruganu solluvom Telugula. Cocoon. It made its nest by itself. This worm, what it does, it creates its own, and by its own it spins that it's from its own saliva, and it thinks I am safe now. Kosham adula ukarande that it thinks I am safe, nobody can come. பாப்பா அதுக்கு தெரியாது நான் இதில் இருந்த வெளியில் போக முடியாது. அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணணும்னா அந்த viewers will come and take this and put in hot water. It never knew that it is a bondage. This spinning with my own saliva, this web towards me, full of surround by me, it is harm to me. This worm do not know. So it bind inside, it will die inside. Similarly, and the silk worm kanna theriyala, in the human being ku theriyadukku venamo adha maadhiri even kuda nalla janana marana, because of this I am this body and a bhavana vandu it binds the person like that silkworm madre. And that meaning tantu vehi. Tantu means that thread. That thread it brings from its own saliva. Cobweb we don't mind. That silkworm thread and silk, that saliva is special. That's why these people, those who are silk sarees they are making, they take that all these cocoons and they put in hot water and they dye in that and they take the silk outside. That's why we are not supposed to wear silk sarees. It is himsa, comes under himsa. Pattu shari, that's why some people don't wear pattu shari. It is non-vegetarian. It comes under himsa. This is like some concept, but I don't say don't wear pattu shari. But you should know this, how it happens. That's like that our life also will be bound. If I have this wrong notion, to come out of this notion, what I have to do? Know yourself. How to know myself? Study Viveka Chodamani. More in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashi अवशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ।